Hi, Alex. My name is Susan Lewis. I'm your healthcare provider today.
Okay.
What's going on?
It's a little hard to breathe.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
Can you describe the feeling?
It's tight feeling. It's a tightness.
On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the worst pain you've ever felt, how would you rate this tightness?
Maybe a 4 out of 10.
Does anything you do make the tightness worse?
Moving around makes it worse.
Does anything you do make it better?
Was hoping
Alex is a new type of simulator, a patient communication simulator. Alex is the first simulator that can see, listen, and talk. Alex is equipped with a high-definition camera streaming low-latency video. With the iris cam, see the patient perspective, view remotely, or review during a debriefing session. Alex employs 3 distinctly unique options for communication. His speech recognition and response system listens for clinical interview questions and responds according to the selected scenario. His text-to-speech functionality allows users to simply type the desired verbal response. And finally, deliver your own voice through Alex with push-to-talk. Ooh, can someone help me, please? Alex is the first simulator to use Bluetooth technology and proximity sensors to provide heart, lung, and bowel sounds in unprecedented fidelity. The virtual patient monitor is interactive, enabling direct control of physiological state like heart rate, respiratory rate, and blood pressure. Alex is cloud connected and can be operated from anywhere with any internet device with no special plugins, apps, or licenses. Today's needs require today's technology. Smarter simulation within reach.